By now, you're probably almost done your Christmas shopping, but it's definitely time to start thinking about Boxing Day. Here to help us avoid the post-holiday madness by getting a head start on must-have sale items is lifestyle expert Niki Anastasakis. Good morning, Niki.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me. I want to break down some incredible deals that Lowe's Canada will be offering starting December 22nd through to December 28th. First off, I want to show you guys the Bon Dumont Portable Steel Liquid Propane. This one is the patio heater. It's on sale for $279. It creates a stunning 360 visual effect with a cylindrical Pyrex, and it can cover 400 square feet of heating, 1 year limited warranty. This one is a must-have for the backyard, keeping you warm. Moving on to second item, which is the Steel Liquid Propane Fireball. This is on sale for $139, and it's great for camping trips, tailgating, beach parties, or even in your back bar just roasting some marshmallows. Has a great easy locking lid for easy storage, and that is $139.
Excellent. Now, next up, you've got some smart home recommendations.
You might not think of technology items immediately when you think of Lowe's, but Lowe's does carry a wide variety of technological items, and here we have some items to keep you safe at home. Starting off with the Google Nest Hub second generation. This item is on sale for $64.99. It can display everything. The center of your home is here, from your shows to your videos to your music and podcasts, and it can also showcase your front camera that you might have at the front of your house. Speaking of cameras, I want to show you guys this 2-pack Google indoor-outdoor camera. They are good for nighttime vision. They're battery powered, and you can also speak to the person who's outside your house using this camera, and you can kind of let them know where you're at if you're not home.
Absolutely. Now, it's about to be home reno season, Niki. So what do you have for the DIYers?
So for the DIYers, I want to go to Craftsman products. These are two saws that we have by Craftsman. Lowe's is offering these items. Both of them are on sale for $49.99. The first one is this circular saw. It's corded. It has 15 amp. It's for aggressive fast cutting. So for the person who wants to make back decks or, shelving around your home. It has an easy handle for added comfort. And it's convenient and easy to store, 1 year limited warranty with 7¼ inch blade. The next one is this Craftsman 7.5 amp saw. And this one here is also $49.99. It is great for remodeling, renovation projects. 7.5 amp tool-free blade release design allows you to easily change blades and a variable speed dial. And it's compact. It has a Verse-Track peg hook for easy storage.
All right, Niki, lastly, our kitchens could probably use some TLC after all the holiday cooking we've been doing.
So we got the indoor appliances, which a lot of us need and love. I myself needed a new microwave, so we got this Will's stainless steel microwave, which is incredible for cooking really large items like large pizzas. Then moving on to this incredible Danby 36-watt wine cooler. This wine cooler is really great for storing things like wine or beer or water. Everything I showed you guys here today is on sale Boxing Week at Lowe's. Some of the items are going through to the new year, but they might not be available, so I would get on them now. And they do offer free delivery for anything over $700.
That's amazing, Niki. Thank you so much. Excited to get started on those Boxing Day deals, and I appreciate your time today. Thank you.
Thank you.